Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 3rd of December, which means that we are unboxing door number 3 of the gifted to me LookFantastic advent calendar. So we've had a blush palette and a highlight palette from Natasha Denona on day number 1. Yesterday we had a Luxie makeup brush, a tapered highlight brush. So I'm wondering if we're gonna get something skincare behind door number 3 or hair care, because if I remember rightly from last year, they really shook up the products. So let's have a look behind door number 3. This is a Molten Brown London Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. Last year we had a, I think it was something like cherry or raspberry and cracked black pepper. It's a bottle that I went through very quickly and have repurchased because Molten Brown bath products just smell so good. I love Molten Brown products. They just have the most divine scents. And the thing about this is that you can really smell the rhubarb in this. I know that quite often when I buy, say like cheap bath products, that you get the scent but they smell very artificial. This smells really nice. You definitely get the delicious rhubarb smell and then a hint of the rose smell. I'm not mad about that at all. I really love Molten Brown products. Have you ever had a Molten Brown product before? Let me know your favourite scents down below so that I can check them out. Thank you for tuning in for the 3rd of December and I will see you again tomorrow for day number 4. Bye! Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.